going on, guys? We're gonna try some Lightning Link. We're gonna try Best Bet today. I haven't tried this for a long time. Look at that major, that grand. Come on, baby, it's time to pay that out. So I got $2,000 denom. Let's start with $50 spins. So we need 3 of those horseshoes, or 6 of these trophies. Come on, Best Bet. Thought it was it. So I haven't tried this for a while now. Let's see if these horsies miss me. Come on, baby. Best Bet. Best Bet's sleeping. Come on, Best Bet. Come on. Now you're just teasing me. Serious? We're not even getting line hits. You guys see this? It's pretty dead. Come on. There we go. Alright, baby. Time to make that money. So we get 10 free spins. Come on, baby. Bonus in the bonus. Come on. Serious? Come on. There we go. Nice one. Time to drop that major, baby. Come on. Major. Come on. We still have 4 more free spins. Let's go, baby. Come on. I'm alright. I'm okay for now. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, baby. Alright, $12.52. Alright, so we're at Grayton in Northern California, and they have a thing called Swift Pay, which is fast pay pretty much. And there we go. Alright, let's continue, guys. Come on, baby, back to back. There we go. Back to back. Listen to it. Don't you guys like it when the slot machines listen to you? Come on, baby. Nice. Alright. Drop that major, baby. Come on. Major. Okay. Come on, baby. Don't stop. Alright. Got another jackpot. I'll give you a ring. Yeah, it was insane here earlier. You're welcome. Yeah, thank you. Alright, 1550. Nice, back to back. So let's get our Swift Pay going again. So once again, guys, we're at Grayton. So far, it's amazing here. The crew, the people, everything. Shout out to Grayton. Thanks for hosting us, guys. Come on, Swift Pay. There we go. All right, let's continue. Another one? And special thanks to MaxBet, guys. Without them, none of this would have happened. They made it all a reality for us. Awesome people. Mike, Landon. Come on. And of course, a special shout out to all my subscribers. I love you all, guys. Come on, best bet. No. Fell asleep again. Come on. No. Alright, let's switch it up, guys. Let's try 50 cents. Let's go with 62.50 spins. The mini's 500, minor is 2,500 here. Oh, come on. Really? That was rude. You know what, guys? I'm gonna end it there. We got 2 hand pays and we're even. That works for me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow.